love, there's nothing wrong. Contemplating God under the chemtrails.
So step one to get this Lana Del Rey vocal mix is we need to make sure that we have a good arrangement first. And that is where I'm going to start this video. We need to talk about where the arrangement is. And so as you can see here, visually you can kind of get a glimpse of what we have going here. So these are the vocal tracks from here down to here. These are all our vocal tracks. Now for the first chorus, the first part of this remake that I did, I've got the lead vocal, of course, then I've got a double and a +12, which just means an octave up. So we have the lead vocal here doing this. Let me actually mute all of these vocal tracks, and then I'll unmute them as I go. So this is with just the lead vocal.
Contemplating God under the chemtrails over
and then when I add this one,
wearing our jewels in the swimming pool, me and my sister just playing it cool under the chemtrails over the country club.
as you can hear, it thickens it up a bit, right? Just adds a nice, cool added layer to it. And that's just a doubled recording. I'm not duplicating the same audio or anything like that. That's just gonna turn up the volume. You can do that sometimes if you then add very specific effects to the duplicated track, but if you're trying to get started with this stuff, don't even do that. Just record in an actual double take, a new take of the track, and then layer it in with your original lead vocal. And then the third track here in this mix is just an octave up. So
with you, my sweet Lord, there's nothing wrong. Contemplating
just going, you know, the falsetto octave up top.
Over the country club, wearing our jewels in the swimming pool.
So that's it. That is what the first part, this first chorus is. And then in the verse, everything simplifies and it goes to just the lead vocal.
Take out your turquoise and all of your jewels.
Right? And then that stays that way all the way until we get back to the chorus. And then this chorus here, you can feel it when you listen to it. You can feel the energy kind of swell and elevate. And a big reason why is because of the added vocal layers that come in. So I'm going to start it here and then you'll get to hear what's happening.
Not unhinged or unhappy, I'm just one. I'm on the run with you, my sweet love, there's nothing wrong. Contemplating God under the chemtrails over the...
So we have the lead vocal and then we have this other double as before, just on top. That's exactly what we did in the first chorus. And then we've got two new doubles. We've got this one panned left. It's like 50 left, I think.
Wearing our jewels in the swimming
like 45
pool,
left.
me and my sister just playing it cool under the chemtrails over the country club.
Another take on the right side, about 50 to the right, and then we've got the +12 octave up, which is also what we did in the first chorus, so that stays the same. And then one more thing I did here for this part is I added in, you could think of these as the accented octave up or the accented +12s, so just two more takes of that high falsetto part, but just on very specific parts. So
country club.
Right, and so I'm just kind of accenting that, and I sung it 2 more times, and I just wanted to make that part feel louder when it comes to that high part. So let me start here, and you can kind of hear that energy. Listen to the high falsetto part from here.
Chemtrails over the country club.
When it goes to the country club, you can hear more of that falsetto part pop through, and that is why I added those there. So there you go. That is sort of the arrangement that happened here. Now, of course, this isn't the entirety of the song mapped out. I just remade the first chorus through verse 1 and then through chorus 2 here of this Lana Del Rey Chemtrails. Is it Chemtrails Over the Country Club? I think is the name of it. And of course, if I were to do the whole song, there would be even more variations. But if you can just do something like this to get your song started, the rest of it is actually pretty easy because then it's just a matter of taste, really. But the key is we are adding dynamics. The verse is just one lead vocal. The chorus 1 does have a couple doubles added, but then chorus 2 is we are just elevating it, taking it to that next level.